This idea was sparked by a bag of jackfruit fruit snacks that my sister gave me while I was visiting family over the Christmas holiday. But I remember years ago, I bought a bag of mango fruit snacks out of the grocery store that starts with an A. Not sure if I can name drop on YouTube. I ate one of those mango fruit snacks and it was covered in sugar. But before I took a bite, I was raving to my family on how they needed to eat more healthy snacks like these mango fruit treats. I was so excited about this candy that was made from real slices of mango that I forgot to read the ingredients on the back of the bag. So I was like, wow, really? And like, who puts sugar on a mango? Mango is probably the most sweetest fruit on the planet in the alkaline category. So YouTube, please, leave it in the comments if you prefer sugar on your mango or not. Like, who in their right mind puts sugar on a mango? That lets you know who's really behind supposed healthy and organic foods in the grocery store. Newsflash, mangoes contain natural sugars. Why does it need a genetically modified sugar on top of the natural sugar? And why does cane sugar have to be in everything we consume commercially? And you should ask yourself, what effects is this cane sugar having on not only mine and my child's body, but what effects does it have on my mind, my health, and my wellness? What's happening, YouTube? Stay tuned because today we're going to de-pesticide, clean, cut, slice, and make natural candy treats for you and your children right after this. First, we're going to clean our fruit by adding 1 cap of salt and 1 cap of peroxide. I use sea salt because that's all I keep in my house, but any salt should do for this process. Next, we stir it in. This is a yellow star fruit. It's covered in spikes, has an outie navel on the bottom and an innie navel on the top. Now we'll bathe the fruit in our homemade cleaning solution. Now we're just going to wash our fruit thoroughly. If you look closely, you'll see how effective our wash was, and you can see a film layer of pesticide chemicals floating on the surface of the water. That's what we stripped off. Can you see it? Do you see the swirls and the streaks? Kind of looks like rings going around. That's what we stripped. Those are pesticide chemicals that we stripped off of this fruit. These chemicals are what you're consuming when you buy from a grocery store. When I buy fruit that has skin on it out of a grocery store, I peel them. Next, we give it a rinse with filtered water. This step was to show you how to effectively de-pesticide a fruit. Next, we want to remove the upper and the lower navel. Then you'll make an incision right down the center of the fruit. Now it comes off easy as taking off your jacket. Here's a close-up of the inside. It's full of seed in case you want to grow your own. Now we're going to go in and make our slices. You don't have to slice them as thin as you see me slicing here. You actually want some thin pieces and some thicker pieces. Next, we position our pieces on a dehydrating rack covered with parchment paper. After placing them in the dehydrator, you want to set your temperature to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to set it to 4 hours. hours, we're all done. One step I left out is you want to spray your parchment paper with olive oil, but they still come off easy with a spatula. Here's the final product, star fruit candy for you and your family. The final step is you want to give it a quick taste test, and they're delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I thank you.